Hey everybody, last time you guys saw us, we were exploring Mackinac Island in northern Michigan, and we are now back in the Lower Peninsula. We picked up some sandwiches for lunch at a local town nearby, and we're gonna go check out a hike and then stay at a harvest host tonight.
We are staying at a different harvest host than normal, so we hope you guys enjoy coming along with us doing that. We think it'll be very fun and a nice, peaceful night.
We've got a little bit of a drive here, so we're gonna take you along with us, hopefully see some pretty views of the water, and then check out a hike when we get there. We made it to our trailhead here at Wilderness State Park up here on the very northern part of the Lower Peninsula of Michigan. This park is huge. It's got over 26 miles of shoreline, and from what we can tell, it has about 600 campsites. But we didn't need water or showers or anything like that, and it's about $40 a night. So we opted to stay in a harvest host later that's for free and not have to pay for the campground now. But either way, we're gonna enjoy this hike and hopefully we see something pretty. We don't want to brag, but to all of our beloved Texas viewers, it is mid-July right now, and the high here is 69 degrees and fully sunny. So I know back there it's hundreds, 105. Yeah, not missing that, but hope y'all are doing okay.
Like you said, we aren't trying to rub it in, but we figured you guys would love to know that, and we hope you enjoy the hike with us while you're inside in the hundreds. My bad. I struggle a little bit reading trail maps, so I think we're gonna just backtrack and go a different way where we saw everyone else going. And we'll try that hike.
To be fair, the trail maps are pretty weird to read, and it didn't really say that the bridges were closed, and also we only started planning this hike about an hour ago, so we didn't really know what we were doing, but we found a place to park, and now we're gonna find the real hike. Round two.
So we originally saw people walking this way, but we weren't really sure where to go, obviously, because we went the wrong way, so let's try this again.
Not entirely sure where this hike is headed, because I think the main pretty hike that we were gonna do is the one that was closed with the bridge, and I don't know if we ever got back around on it, but either way, we're just walking this forest road, and it's really pretty, so we're just enjoying it, and we'll go till we feel like turning around and head back.
Either way, we're about 1.5 miles, almost 2 in, and it is water break time for Barky.
They called an Uber.
Can I get carried too? I was slipping, but I didn't want to hold you. We tried. Okay, like Connor said earlier, we don't really know what trail we just took. It looked like it was gonna go on forever. On our watches, it said 3 miles, so we figured we'd just turn around, head back, and eat our lunch because we are starving. And we're back. We're gonna go find somewhere by the water to eat our sandwiches and just enjoy this beautiful day. You down?
Alright, so I went with ham and pepper jack cheese, and then lettuce, onions, pickles, jalapenos, and their special sauce, rye bread.
Lunch was delicious. We're obviously back at our camper, and it is only a 35-minute drive to the Harvest House from here. So I think we might stop at a grocery store and just pick up something for dinner, and then we will show you guys our Harvest House for the night. Ouch.
We have better weather here, but Texas people have better gas prices.
Good. All right, we made it, and it is beautiful here. Look. Right out our camper windows. Yay!
Just farm living for the night. Alright, so just a real quick setup here, but we are going to go check in with the Harvest Host. I think they close in about 30 minutes, so we're going to make sure that we can go support their business and then come back here, and this is going to be a great spot for a very peaceful evening in camp.
Otherwise, you're good to go. You're set there. Just whatever you want to do.
Well, thanks. Yeah.
Sounds great. I think we're leaning towards some veggies if you have.
Yeah.
Yeah, however, to support you guys, yeah. Great. Dinner.
Alright, so we ended up with 3 of these very interesting looking cucumbers, but he says they're very tasty right now. And then 2 large zucchinis and I think a spring mix.
They look amazing, and we're so excited that we were able to stay at a Harvest House like this because we haven't had, I guess you could say, more of a farm where we could buy produce from them like this. So it was fun to go out with him, cut all of the vegetables literally off of the vines and from the ground, and we get to make them tonight. But before we do that, it is pretty warm and it is cocktail hour, so we're going to make a gin and soda with, I think, some of the cucumber that they gave us from the farm.
Ooh.
Happy gin and soda with some cucumber from the farm.
Time for the snack. We're gonna cucumber.
What you looking at?
Well, there's no deer yet, but there are 2 pretty large sandhill cranes walking around over there. But I have a feeling there's going to be more stuff walking around later. There's a ton of deer up in northern Michigan. We see them driving all the time, so driving at night is not our favorite thing to do right now, but maybe we can see some from a distance. We ended up buying some chicken at the store earlier whenever we went to fill up with gas, but it's still frozen and we didn't want to leave it in the sun to thaw, so we'll eat that tomorrow. And instead tonight we're just going to do some rice. We've got some zucchini that we just bought at the farm here, garbanzo beans, other beans, and we'll make it work.
We do always try to have some sort of cans in here. They always seem to be beans, but it works out because we can kind of make a Mexican bowl. We also have some guac salsa, so I think it'll come together perfectly. Also, if you needed a size comparison for the 2 zucchinis that we got from the farm here, they are huge. Probably, I don't know, bigger than my head. Our chicken was frozen. This is what we came up with, and I'm actually very excited to have it. It's just a good warm Mexican dish since it's been cooler outside today. But we're gonna dive into this. Hopefully see some deer and maybe some other critters out there today. We'll see. Not bad. Good job, chef.
Thanks, Chef.
Cheers. This morning. Isn't it cute?
Having a nice, relaxing morning here. Just getting some organizational things done, working on a video, going through emails, and we need to get a pretty big Amazon order finished up here. Our tripod for our camera broke last night, so we need one of those. And then there's a couple other small things that we just need to get while we're doing a big order. Usually what we do is try to find like an Amazon locker that we can do in the town nearby. And if we're going to stay there for a few nights, that makes it easy. Just send everything there. It's not the easiest thing to order stuff on the road, but it is doable. And we actually ended up picking up a new lock for the back door of the RV. So we'll be installing that soon, but excited to have that. And yeah, just getting some things done over here.
Well, as Connor said earlier, we've just been busy working inside and also enjoying the beautiful farm view that we were able to have last night and today.
We love camping at Harvest Host so much because it gives us an opportunity to see different small businesses around the country, and it's not often you get beautiful views like this just in exchange for supporting a business, and we even got dinner out of it, so it really worked out very well for us. There's over 400 Harvest Hosts here in Michigan. A lot of them are breweries, small farms like this, and we just love this style of camping.
We hope you guys enjoyed coming along with a little bit different of a Harvest Host, showing their garden to almost do a farm-to-table kind of dinner, which we loved.
We are planning on getting back to 2 videos a week here this coming month in August, and we hope you guys will stick around for that and are excited to follow us on all of our adventures. We have so much stuff coming in the next couple months, and we can't wait to share it all with you. As always, thank you guys for being here. Hope you have a large day. We will see you next video.
Thanks for watching, guys!